Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to recover your suspended Upwork account in 2025. If this is what you've been looking out for, stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. We'll dive straight into the video. First, we'll need our Upwork account, right? So we'll log in. I've already logged in for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, step one, when you're done with your login process, you go straight to the help support option. Help and support. Here you have your help and support. I'll click on the help and support option. Step 2, you click on Upwork General Support. So I'll click on Upwork General Support as the step 2. Here we go. Let's see. It's going to redirect you to log in into your account, right? Click on this. You click on this drop down here. You click on contact support. Contact support. So when you click on contact support, you scroll down and then you click on chat with support. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's always a prompt message that Upwork will respond immediately you get to the chat with support section. I will drop. So here is a quick one. When you get to chat with support, you are going to be telling Upwork team what you really want, and you can just go with, I have been trying to verify my Upwork account and I've provided necessary documents, but the verification is not approved. If there is any other document or requirements you need, I'll be glad to provide, or kindly help me verify my account. Thank you. And once you just send Upwork this, hi Upwork team, after you must have sent Upwork about your message, select I want to start a ticket. You'll be asked about your reason. Select, say identity verification. The screenshots of what each text messages look like. Please guy, because I've verified this account, I do not think it is necessary to send Upwork team the need to re-verify my account. And I hope this video would help a long way to get your suspended Upwork account verified. Do give this video a thumbs up if this video is what you've been looking for. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video if you found value in this video.